Let me talk to you about a brand that is becoming a favorite for smart, secure, and affordable door access solutions, ECS Hardware. When it comes to smart door locks that combine durability, style, and real functionality, ECS Hardware is a brand that stands out. Engineered for both residential and commercial use, ECS locks offer reliable security, sleek designs, and easy remote management through the TTLock app. Whether you're upgrading your home, securing a rental, or outfitting a business, ECS gives you professional-grade tech without the premium price tag. Let's look at two of their top-performing models. First, the ECS H85BW Smart Digital Door Lock. Built with an IP65 rated waterproof housing, it's perfect for outdoor or high traffic entry points. You get 5 ways to unlock: fingerprint, mobile app, passcode, ID cards, and mechanical key. Plus, it connects via Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, so you can monitor and control access from anywhere, ideal for Airbnb hosts, families, and small businesses. Next up, the ECS A233 Smart Lock, a more refined option for front doors or office spaces. It combines biometric access, touchpad entry, and a modern lever handle, giving you a sleek and secure entry point. You'll get the same powerful TTLock cap control, fast fingerprint recognition, and a design that complements any modern door setup. Both models are easy to install, built to last, and backed by smart features to help you protect what matters without complicating your life. It's time for you to upgrade to a smart lock. Visit locksmith-approved and discover why ECS Hardware is trusted by pros across the country.